Welcome to Assembly News Now. This is multimedia editor Jennifer Pierce, and here's what's happening with product assembly on October 1st. Robots dazzle manufacturers at IMTS. BMW opens a new press shop in Spartanburg, South Carolina. Deprag debuts a tool changer for screw-driving robots. GE Appliances is our assembly plant of the year. And Rethink Robotics returns. These Assembly News Now stories after a brief message from our sponsor Promes, an industry leader for complete turnkey monitoring and motion systems. The International Manufacturing Technology Show was held last month in Chicago. More than 89,000 people registered for the event, which featured over 1,600 exhibitors and 1.2 million square feet of floor space. Although the show is mostly for metal cutting and forming technology, robots were a major draw. For example, Fanuc drew large crowds to its booth, which featured numerous working robots. Front and center was the company's massive M2000 six-axis robot, which easily lifted a Chevrolet Corvette 20 feet off the ground. Also on display were robots for machine tending, arc welding, spot welding, friction stir welding, and painting. Other demos showed conveyor tracking, coordinated motion, and bin picking. BMW celebrated 30 years of production at its assembly plant in Spartanburg, South Carolina, by opening a new state-of-the-art press line. The factory is preparing for the launch of the new X3 SUV. The vehicle's outer skin, including its exterior body sides, doors, side panels, and tailgate, will all be made in Spartanburg. BMW invested more than $200 million to construct the line. It can run up to 18 strokes per minute, which means that more than 10,000 parts can be produced daily, depending on the size. Deprag has introduced a tool exchange system as a new feature for its electric screwdrivers. The system enables the quick and simple exchange of screw-driving bits or attachments. This is useful when installing screws of different shapes and sizes. The fasteners can have either external or internal drives. The system can be integrated with automated assembly lines or robots. And now for today's top story. GE Appliances has been making washers, refrigerators, and other white goods in Louisville, Kentucky for more than 70 years. However, that doesn't mean the company hasn't kept up with technology. In fact, GE Appliances' state-of-the-art dishwasher factory is this year's Assembly Plant of the Year. Here to tell us more is Senior Editor Austin Weber. Austin?
Ever since Dwight D. Eisenhower was president, GE Appliances has mass-produced dishwashers at a sprawling factory in Louisville, Kentucky. Today, the 1 million square foot facility produces more than 70 dishwasher models using the latest digital manufacturing processes. That's why GE Appliances Dishwasher Factory is a recipient of the 2024 Assembly Plant of the Year Award, sponsored by Assembly Magazine. The 71-year-old facility was chosen for our award because it has been modernized with a variety of advanced production tools and technology. A flexible, vertically integrated factory recently underwent a digital transformation that has improved productivity, boosted quality, and reduced time to market. The dishwasher assembly plant has received significant investments that have enabled it to increase production volume by 50%. Technology upgrades have also benefited workers, leading to a 47% decrease in ergonomic injuries. Major investments in new product launches, assembly lines, presses, robotics, and automation, and digital technology have yielded impressive gains in safety, product quality, capacity, efficiency, and cost reduction. There are currently more than 250 robots in use throughout the factory. In fact, the plant now has up to 3 times as many robots as it had 5 years ago. Last year, the plant also invested in a new flexible assembly line. The state-of-the-art line is capable of building dishwashers equipped with either plastic or stainless steel tugs. The 2024 Assembly Plant of the Year operates 5 flexible assembly lines: visual communication, lean management, digital tools, and data analytics play a key role in the plant, especially when it comes to improving ergonomics, quality, and safety. GE appliance engineers recently harnessed the power of data analytics to improve the efficiency of the plant's DC electric tools by monitoring the yield of screw driving operations to validate quality goals. Back to you, Jennifer.
Thanks, Austin. And finally, remember Rethink Robotics? The company made a splash in 2011 when it released Baxter, a two-armed collaborative robot with an animated face. Despite a lot of hype, sales of the robot and its one-armed brother Sawyer never took off, and the company closed in 2018. But like a phoenix rising from the ashes, Rethink Robotics surprised everyone with a large booth at this year's International Manufacturing Technology Show in Chicago last month. The company displayed 3 new robots it says are better designed for manufacturing. The Reacher line of 6-axis cobots comprises 7 models with payload capacities ranging from 15 to 66 pounds. The Rider line of autonomous mobile robots can navigate independently through a factory without the need for external components. And the Riser mobile manipulator robot combines the Reacher and the Rider products to create a cobot that can move from application to another. Let's hope Rethink's second go-around lasts longer than the first. That's all for this edition of Assembly News Now. For all the latest news on assembly technology, visit assemblymag.com and follow us on social media. Thanks for watching, and tune in next month for another installment of Assembly News Now.